In this video, I will show you guys how you can get 1.2 USDT on a particular website. So all I have to do is to watch this video till the very end and do not skip any part. So to start with this particular website, all I have to do is to go to the video description and click on the first link there. So once you click on the first link there, you'll be taken to this place. So once you get to this place, you have to sign up by entering your particulars. Make sure you don't touch this place where it is written invitation code. Just leave it like that. And the last thing to do is to click on the button sign up over here to create your account on this particular website. So after clicking on the button sign up, you'll be taken to this place. So once you get to this place, all I have to do is to click on the button close over here to close this notification. After closing the notification, you'll be taken to this place. So once you get to this place, all I have to do is to click on the button cancel over here. After clicking on the button cancel, automatically your account will be created. So once your account is created, this is how it will be looking like. So once you get to this place, as I told you earlier, you can get 1.2 USDT every single day on this particular website. But before you can be getting the USDT, you have to do a deposit. So before I will show you guys how to do the deposit, I'll first of all show you people the different packages that you have on this particular platform. So for that, I will only click on the button project over here. So once I click on the button project over there, you can see the different packages that you have on the platform. The first one, you'll be getting 12% of your investment, but you have to deposit at least 10 USDT and your investment will last 10 days. So by the end of the 10 days, you are going to get 12 USDT. So that means your interest will be 2 USDT. Now the second package, you will be getting 5% of your investment every day. Your investment will last 22 days, and before you can start getting this interest, you have to invest at least 100 USDT. So that's how you have the packages up to the last one over here, which will be fetching you 9.35% of your investment every day, and your investment will last 30 days. But before you can start getting this interest, you have to invest at least 25,000 USDT. Now I'm going to show you guys how you can do the deposit. So for that, just click on the button me over here. So once you click on the button me over there, now click on the button recharge over here. So once you click on the button recharge over there, you can see the different cryptocurrencies that you have on this particular platform. So you have the TRC20 USDT, you have the TRX, you have the BP20 USDT, and you have the BNB. So you can choose one of those cryptocurrencies. As for me, I'm going to choose the TRC20 USDT. So I'll just click on it. Once I click on it, you can see now the address that you have to copy. This is the address. So once you're here, all I have to do is to click on the button copy. So let me do that. So you can see copied successfully. So after copying the address, I will now head on to my account, to my wallet, and send the crypto. As you can see over here, I'm in my account. You guys can see that I'm on the USDT crypto. Once I'm here, I'll just click on the button withdraw over here because I want to withdraw the USDT from my account over here to the website. So I'll click on the button send via crypto network. Okay, so I have to paste the address that I copied over there. So I'll just paste it here. So after pasting the address, I have to choose the network. So after that, I have to enter the amount that I want to deposit. Because of the withdrawal fees, I will send 11 USDT to receive 10 USDT. So after entering the amount over there, I will now click on the button withdraw to do the deposit on the website. So after clicking on the button withdraw, they said I should confirm. So I'll just click on the button confirm. So I have to do the verification. After the verification, it is now okay. I've sent 10 USDT on the platform. So let me go back to the platform and check. So once I'm back on the platform here, I will click on the button recharge completed. So after clicking on the button recharge completed, I will now go back. Once I'm back over here, you guys can see that it is written there recharge amount 10 USDT, but I was having 0 USDT. So after you are done doing the deposit, you can now do your investment. Okay, so for that, we click on the button project. So after clicking on the button project, I'll click on the first one because I have deposited 10 USDT. So I'll click on buy now. So once I'm here, you can see all the details about the investment. So I have to enter the amount that I want to deposit. As you can see over here, minimum invest amount is 10 USDT. So I will just enter 10 USDT here. So after entering the amount over there, I will just scroll down over here and click on the button start now. So as you can see, purchase successfully, and you can see the details over here. After you are done with your investment, you can click here to view it. So just click on the button purchase history. So once you click on the button purchase history, this is your investment over here. So you can click on the button details over here to check it out. Immediately after your investment, you can make the withdrawal. So my today's profit is ready over here, 1.2 USDT. I can withdraw it. You can say settle. So let me go back and make the withdrawal. So once I'm back over here to make the withdrawal, I'll click on the button me again. So once I click on the button me, to make the withdrawal, I'll only click on the button withdraw over here. So once I click on the button withdraw, you can see my today's profit over here, the 1.2 USDT. So to continue the withdrawal process, I will enter that amount over here. After that, I have to go and copy my address and come and paste it here, enter my password here and click on the button confirm over here to make the withdrawal. So let me enter the amount, which is the 1.2 USDT. So after that, I have to go and copy my address and come and paste it. So once I'm back here, I will only click on the button deposit. So once I click on the button deposit, I will click on the button TRC20 because I want to withdraw through USDT TRC20. So once I'm here, this is my address. So I'll just click on this button to copy my address. So as you can see, wallet address copied. So after copying my address, I will head on to the website again and continue the withdrawal process. I will only paste the address that I copied over there. So after pasting the address, I have to enter my password now and click on the button confirm. Alright guys, so I've entered my password. So I will now click on the button confirm to make the withdrawal. So let me click on the button confirm. So guys, as you can see, withdraw successfully. So I am done withdrawing my today's profit. So I'll just wait for some time and go and check in my wallet and see if I receive it. While waiting for the withdrawal to arrive, I will show you guys another alternative that you can use to earn more USDT, more crypto on this particular website. So for that, we have to go back. So once you are back over here, we click on the button team. Okay, so once you click on the button team, as you can see, this is your referral link. So once you are here, all I have to do is to click on the button copied over here, copy your referral link and start sharing it with people. Anyone who use this link to register, you are going to earn a lot of commission. So as you can see, you'll be earning the commissions on 3 levels: level 1, level 2 and level 3. Level 1, you'll be earning 10% of your downline investment. Level 2, you'll be earning 2% of the investment of your downlines, and on level 3 here you'll be earning 1% on the investment of the downlines of your downlines, which is very amazing with this particular platform, guys. So if you have a problem with the website, you can just contact the customer service. So for that, just click on this icon over here. So once you click on that icon, click on the button Telegram customer service and chat them over there. So they'll help you to sort out your issues, your problems. So guys, back in my wallet over here, as you can see, plus 1.2 USDT completed. So I've just received the 1.2 USDT that I withdrew from the platform. That shows that this platform is really paying, guys. You can see the date over here, today being the 20th December 2024. So you can start your investment with this particular platform. But I remind you again, if you want to invest, you make sure you invest what you can afford to lose, because it's an investment platform and anything can happen. So guys, basically that's how this platform works, and that's it for this video. So if you're not yet subscribed, don't forget to smash the subscribe button to subscribe and turn on your notification bell, so whenever I post a new video, you are going to be notified. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, guys. God bless you and see you in my next video.